Maharaja Roofing Products was established in 2010 by well-known businessman Mr. T.R. Chandrasekhar, who has over 50 years of experience in and around Coimbatore. The company is a monument to quality and knowledge in the roofing sector. His two educated sons and son-in-law, who graduated from engineering, run the business together, utilizing the newest technology to provide timely service. Maharaja Roofing Products specializes in the manufacturing of pre-engineered buildings, purlins and premium roofing sheets. We work on turnkey projects including multi-story pre-engineered buildings, meeting halls, auditoriums and warehouses. Hundreds of noteworthy projects from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are included in our broad portfolio. Our plant, which is outfitted with cutting-edge machinery from recognized manufacturers, guarantees accuracy and longevity in each product. The newest addition is a laser cutting machine with a 15,000 watt capacity that can accurately cut even 40 mm plates precisely. For the erection and sheet laying operations related to pre-engineered buildings, we use specialized crews guaranteeing excellent execution and dependability. We place a high value on quality and client satisfaction as members of the esteemed Saraswati Group of Companies, which is headquartered in Sulur, Coimbatore. We get our raw materials from well-known Indian businesses like JSW Steel and Tata Steel. So, you can be sure that our products meet the highest standards. We have a devoted clientele thanks to our dedication to providing high-quality work and service. Many of them come back to us for their subsequent needs. We take great satisfaction in upholding enduring, cordial ties with our clients, guaranteeing seamless and fulfilling encounters. Our focus on the needs of our customers has accelerated our business development and cemented our position as one of the top PEB producers in Coimbatore district. We stand out in the market thanks to our excellent quality and competitive pricing. Our plant has a significant amount of extra capacity, therefore it can grow. Our goal is to satisfy every customer by providing accuracy, timely delivery and high quality items. Serving more clients and going above and beyond their expectations is something we are excited about.